yeah, massive thanks to everybody who helped me in this escalation and supported me all these years.